Good afternoon. My name is Farmer Ed. I've been gardening since 1984 here in the community gardens in Torrance. This afternoon we're going to talk about potatoes. There's various kinds of potatoes. If you check online and check the type of potato that you would like, you want it for baking, frying, mashed potatoes, etc. There's different potatoes that will do this, and it's better than other potatoes. All around potato, the white rose is a good potato all around. Now, potatoes, when you grow potatoes, seed potatoes has to be free of any diseases. So you should get certified seed potatoes. And when you cut them up, each piece is going to have an eye in it. And you take this, after you cut them, and leave them set until there's a skin that forms over the cut portion of the potato. Then you plant it. You have to wait like 24 hours before you plant a cut piece of potato. When you put the potatoes in the soil, you bury them about 6 inches or so, and when they come up, you bury the leaves again. Now, potatoes do not require too much water. If you water them too much, you're going to rot them in the soil because the soil will stay wet too long. Just water them sparsely. I've just informed you how to grow potatoes in your home garden. If you follow these steps, you will have some nice potatoes. Thank you.